Okay, I was just playing around with, I think about $4. I have $4 left in this account, so I'm a bit tired. I was resting. I just finished my routine on my project, and I felt like, okay, let me see if I can triple or double this $4. Okay, I would like to probably maybe show you from my statement so that you can get to see what I was talking about. So you see, it doesn't matter the amount. Let me see where I have withdrawal. Once I see withdrawal, okay, you can see the withdrawal 80/20. These are the withdrawals 80/20. That was after I withdraw like $100. So in fact, let me show you what was left so that you can understand. It's not in the amount. You can see it's $4.33. So I started trading with this $4. You can see, let me show you the profit table so that you can see properly. You'll be able to understand. It's a matter of you being able to repeat the same thing every time. I don't know why I have this image. I was trying to close it, wasn't closing. Okay, so these are the trades. Look at them. Are there losses? Yes. Will there be losses? Yes. Are you seeing wins and losses? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing losses? Win losses? Okay, this was how I grow that $4 into $23. It's almost like saying like 400%. So when I say anybody can do it, and it's not in the amount. You see, what most people don't understand is that if you can do this with a smaller amount, you will be able to also do this with bigger amounts. That's the plain truth. But a lot of people are in a hurry. Stop being in a hurry. Learn the process first. Master the process, and then you'll be able to earn at your own convenience. God bless you. I'll see you in other videos.